ground now! Now!
In October 2023, a stolen vehicle suspect was on the run in southwest Denver. The chase had just ended. The auto theft suspect is fleeing on foot after crashing when a police cruiser tries to run him over, launching the man violently into the pavement. What this reveals about police tactics will leave you speechless.
They're coming in. 5 seconds out.
Get on the fucking ground now! Now! Get on the ground!
Oh, fuck! Oh, you hit me with that car! Oh, fuck! What the fuck? Oh, my back!
Don't run from the fucking police,
What the
man!
fuck? Oh, what the fuck, man? Oh!
We got everyone?
Hit my... the fuck?
Did your mom ever tell you not to run from the police?
Fuck you! Ah! 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 Fuck me!
Just leave him.
Ah! You hit me with the fucking car! Ah! Ah! My fucking back!
As the man screams in pain, officers begin questioning him, while paramedics are still nowhere in sight. This footage has not been widely circulated, but the questions it raises about use of force and police procedure are massive. Suspect is likely to have internal damage. Comment below who was in the wrong.
I'll get an ambulance for this guy.
Oh, fuck, man! Oh!
Complain of back pain. 9.
Oh!
I'm gonna get my phone real quick just to get, be able to call. That car that hit you took off, bro.
Fuck, man, you fucking slapped me hard, bitch! The fuck is that? I ain't even did nothing wrong. What the fuck's wrong with you?
That car that you ran in front of that was going, it took off, man.
What the fuck? I don't know what the fuck you're talking about. Man, you fucking pull up on me, I'll fuck y'all. You guys ain't shit. You guys ain't nobody. You guys out here fucking doing illegal ass shit.
You're running from the police and you got hit by somebody. They didn't want to stop.
You have no authority.
They have
no
no
authority. What's
authority.
wrong with you, man?
What's your last name?
Ain't none of your fucking business.
If I fingerprint you, I'll charge you.
Stillwell, motherfucker. Fuck you.
What's your first name?
Zach, motherfucker. Middle name Robert. Fuck you. You just fucking hit me with the fucking car, bitch. Suck a dick.
I got a partial license plate on that car, but it took off pretty quick.
What the fuck? I don't know what the fuck, man.
What's your birthday, Zach?
128. 81.
We got an ambulance coming for you.
Fuck you, man.
I would be nicer to them.
Fuck, you should be nicer to me, motherfucker. You just hit me with a fucking car for nothing.
I did not hit you with a car.
Fuck you. Fuck you. That's assault, motherfucker. That would have been what? You guys charge people with what, attempted murder for shit like that, bitch? Fuck you. I'm gonna charge you with attempted murder, motherfucker. What the fuck? Assault with a fucking deadly fucking weapon. What the fuck is that, bitch? Huh? You think you're untouchable? You think you're above the law?
I think that you still think I hit you with my car.
Why you came chasing at me and sped up, bitch? What the fuck, man? That shit hurts.
What color was the car that hit you?
White, motherfucker.
I drive a black car, okay?
I don't care what you're all the same to me.
So let's
fuck
relax.
You're all the fucking same to me. All you motherfuckers. You all work together. You're a team. You're the biggest fucking gang bully fucking communist fuck sticks in the world.
Well, we're not out here stealing people's Kia Souls and running from the cops.
I ain't steal shit. Fuck you. I ain't steal a fucking thing. Suck a dick. Bitch ass motherfuckers, man, hit me with the fucking car. Which one's driving that Kia? Huh? Which one of you bitches hit me with the car? Pussies. Can't even own it with your own bill over, so you think you're fucking untouchable and shit. You bitches ain't above the law. Bitches ain't above shit. The fuck, man? You gonna hit me with the fucking car? Oh! Oh!
What else hurts besides your back? So the
Fuck you, don't
ambulance
touch me,
knows?
don't ask me shit. Fuck you, don't answer questions, pussy. The fuck? Oh, that hurt. Ah. Pigs ain't shit, man. The fuck? Ah. Fuck you, pigs. Y'all ain't shit, man. Hit me with the fucking car.
Clever, man. Did you come up with that all by yourself?
Cover these fucking nuts on your fucking chin, bitch. Fuck you.
Also clever.
Bunch of marks, man.
Haven't heard any
You
of
know
that
the fuck
before.
you're talking to, man? Don't talk to me. The fuck, man? You never heard the Fort Laramie Treaty, motherfucker? Where you got your jurisdiction from? You ain't got none. De facto government.
He's one of those.
Yeah. House he made it. House without day. MSA without day. 1862, motherfucker. Y'all fall under that umbrella of the fucking corporation. Fuck you. I ain't consent to your fucking jurisdiction. When seconds count, you pussies will be there in minutes. You ain't out here chasing no real criminal, motherfuckers. Fuck you, motherfuckers, man.
Sir, are you injured?
Yeah, what the fuck? You just hit me with a fucking car. What the fuck? That was you? Yeah, it was your fucking ass with a straight face, wasn't it? Fuck off, bro.
What are your injuries?
The fuck with my injury? I don't know, motherfucker. My back, my tailbone, all my shit. Fucking back into me, and spit up on me too, pussy.
Okay.
Suck a dick.
Can you tell me what happened?
Man, I ain't telling you shit. Fuck you.
How did it come to be you got hit by a
Fuck
car?
you. What do you mean? You hit me with the fucking car, pussy.
I didn't hit you with anything.
I don't give a fuck who it was. You're all the same to me. Y'all got the same face.
Well, I'm just asking
Same
you.
crooked motherfucking bastards.
I'm just asking you what
Same
happened.
crooked fucking criminal fuck. Fuck you.